Guys, and today I am playing Animal Jam. Yeah, I know. I haven't played in so long, and look how I look. I kind of look a bit cute. Training party of my training ribs. Chose button. I remember this. I gave my sister a free spike. You'll see her in one of my Naughty videos, probably. Oh, okay. I remember this training system. You can have the white one. I don't know which one's the worst. You can have this. What are spikes worth nowadays? I don't know. I don't know the rarity system anymore. So we're just going to put in a ton of straw hats that I do not want. Okay, there we go. And now we're just gonna put in this. I think that's worth something. This and this and this and this. Okay, there we go. Trade request sent. You can't move. Are you trading? Bruh. Og? How do you type? Oh, right there. Okay. Bruh. Bro. You can't say anything. Okay, bro. You can't say barely anything in Animal Jam. Oh, Nurgus. I love Nurgus. My straw. I like it. Plus burner. Okay. Try to trade. Okay, trade me. That's what he said. Oh, okay. Pretty cool. So guys, this is my reaction back in Animal. Comment down below if these are glossy or not, because I don't know. So, just get a close screenshot of this and tell me if they're glossy or not. I heard the orange are worth something. So, I'll just give you a couple of straw hats. Okay, there we go. Please trade me eggs. An egg? Sure do. Yes. Take it. I don't want to do this anyways. Oh my gosh. Wait, I want to see what it's like. Put something better on the tray. And, put something better. You can't jump in this game. Look. Oh my gosh, put something better on your face. Okay. Are these glossy? Comment down below. By the way, comment down below brown wings, glossy or not, and then pink wings, glossy or not. Okay. So make sure you tell me what wings you're talking about. Because if these are glossy, then no, it's the pet ones. Okay. Who cares? Family roleplay. Oh, I missed what the way, guy. Okay. Smurf. Okay, you know what, guys? I'm gonna just give out free items to this point after I see you some this trade. Okay. Trade for a pumpkin mask. Or rare, 2 rare full one. How about that? Use new overtrade, bro. Bro, you better accept. Okay, good. Okay. Oh, that looks so cool. Like you use trade somewhere. Bow and arrows. For this and this. I don't know. Like, okay. Squid needs friends. Yeah. You need friends. Okay. Hope you have good luck on getting friends. Oh, this is a good art. I'll trade you something for it. Hey, so I'll be your buddy. Can you buddy me? Oh, buddy! It's not your buddy. Be my seafood friend. Feelings. By the way, guys, this is my best friend. Not this person. Glam Girls. So shout out to Glam Girls 2007. Please friend her. And also, and this is what she looks like. Glam Girls 29. This is what she looks like. So please friend her. To 2. Yeah, and then go to her den. This one will look like this, unless she changes it. Unless they're locked. Girls. So shout out to both of these girls. They are my besties. Oh yeah, Glam Girls 2007. We usually do this thing. She usually never changes it because I'm her bestie. So I hope you guys enjoyed this little roleplay. Not roleplay, but this little video. If you did enjoy it, I don't care. Just press the thumbs up button. But if you did enjoy it, make sure to put a thumbs up. And subscribe to me for more videos like this. And if you didn't like it, I do a lot of different videos. So if you may not like this one, if you subscribe to me, you may see a lot of other videos that are like this. So, by the way, my name is Ash and Ashlyn. Glam and Ashlyn met. Glam. Ashlyn Girl 3, my username. So that proves we're friends. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you next time. Bye. Peace out, my friends. I love you. And peace.